You can delete faces by deleting the edges that make them up, but you can't erase a face. I'll use the eraser tool and click on this face and nothing happens. Instead, what I can do is use the select tool and click on it, and then press the delete key, and the face is gone. I can recreate the face by tracing over an existing edge. There's no need to delete an edge and then draw it in again. Instead, just trace over an existing edge, and the face will be recreated. Now this edge here is not duplicated when I trace over it. When I first started using SketchUp, I thought that was cause for alarm because in AutoCAD, if you have coincident lines, it can become a problem later on. Let's verify this by looking at Model Info under Statistics. This model just has 4 edges and 1 face. I'll go ahead and select the face and delete it, and then I'll trace over one of the edges. And the only thing that changed was that we now have a face. We still have just 4 edges. You can break edges and faces by drawing a line across them. And this is a new feature in SketchUp 7. In previous versions, you had to draw a line from one edge to another edge for this to happen. Otherwise, you'd get a solid profile line going across the entire object and it wouldn't break the surfaces into separate pieces like we have here. Because these faces are separated, I could push and pull them individually. I'll use the eraser tool and erase these inner edges. We're left with a single healed face. It's important to realize that these edges are still broken, and that happens because of the existence of these short segments out here. If I erase these segments, SketchUp automatically heals these edges. It's possible to break edges so they don't heal, either intentionally or more often inadvertently. To break an edge, draw a line from an endpoint to some arbitrary point along the edge. Now I have 2 separate edges. This becomes an issue later if you push-pull this surface up. You'll have a seam line here and you'll have separate surfaces in the height dimension. To avoid this, you can fix the situation by drawing a new line from the endpoints to some arbitrary point off to the side. Then erase this line. SketchUp will automatically heal this edge, making it whole. And if I push-pull this surface up, we no longer have that problem.